Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have INFINIX Zero 40 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store, tap on your photo on the right corner and there choose settings, where we have family and parental controls option. Now we have page 3. To visible game or application as Mobile Legends game, we need more than page 3. To change it, tap on it, enter your connect pin to your parental controls, and now we can change it from page 3 to maybe allow all included unrated, configure, got it, and save. You can also turn off your parental controls by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!